All right, guys, welcome back. Subs and Paws. John, your host again. So today we got DS18. I know you can see it everywhere, all over the box. They're not discreet at all. This is what sits in front of your house when they deliver it to you. So we'll get into it and you'll see what it is. I don't want to blow any surprises or anything. So we'll get straight into it. Now I'm wondering, I don't know if this is normally, I did get a DS18, I think it was the SLC before, and the Select Series, and it did not have tape all over like this, so I'm wondering if this is something new, or if this is like retaped, and they added something to the box. Alright, let's see here. And my son-in-law's here. So that's why I'm opening this now. I was not going to open this until tomorrow.
Early vid.
Alright. Whoa. I'm seeing some gifts inside here.
Yo.
Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, so we got chat with us at DS18.com. Maybe we might do that. There's a packing slip. You guys don't need to see that.
Oh, I look like I might steal one of these decals because there's 3 of them. What's that?
DS18. Oh, it's like advertising their gear. They have like door speakers. They do marine audio also. So this looks like some kind of sticker decal. DS18. We like it loud. Can you guys see that there? Oh, there we go.
I like it loud.
We like it loud. Sure do. Let's see here. This is a double decal, DS18.
Looks like I might have to take one of those. I'll take the small one.
This is a big decal.
That one's nice.
DS18.
And the little one.
And let's see what we got here. This is a little decal. Same one as that big one, DS18. Let's see what they got here. This looks like a t-shirt.
Wow.
I'll open this up in the video, okay, guys? I'm not going to focus now on that stuff because I want to get this speaker open here. So that's why we got the extra special box. Oh, wait, there's more.
No way.
Alright, I'm just going to put this down here for a second.
Oh, wait, there's more.
Over. Alright, so I actually have another one of these DS18 cool little decals.
It looks like it's one of those reflective.
And a DS18.
Nice. Lanyard.
What do they call this? Lanyard. Yeah, lanyard. DS18 lanyard. So thank you, DS18.
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll put this stuff back down here. That stuff back down there. And get into the piece de resistance. Alright. And let's see. We like it loud. 4 ohm plus 4 ohm. 2-inch voice coil. 2-inch voice coil, huh? And I guarantee you this thing's going to be sounding bad for a 2-inch coil.
Yeah, I guarantee it's going to sound
10-inch. 4 ohm. So RMS is 500 watts. Max is 1,000 watts. Sensitivity 84.6. Wow. It's kind of low actually, which is that's cool. Frequency response 20 to 1.1 kilohertz.
Wow.
Ooh, that's a big range actually. So voice coil 2-inch, voice coil former, black aluminum. I do like the black aluminum. It looks hot inside of the. If you have a window inside your box, it looks really hot. Cold material is paper. Dust cap material PPI. That's polypropylene. That's what the PPI is, polypropylene. And surround material is foam, so nice. It's got a foam. I love foam surrounds. Basket material is steel.
Oh, nice.
That's to keep you keep it on the cheaper side. Basket color, glossy red. Huh? That's gonna look bad. Maybe I should get a box with a mirror in it or a window in it.
Bad is good or bad is bad?
No, bad is good. Magnet material, ferrite, and 130 ounce magnet. Alright, so let's dig in here after all that info just soaked in. Yes,
that's a nice design box.
Pretty nice box. All right, so we have
Oh my god.
so we have the owner's booklet here. We have another decal here. We have another sticker decal here. And this is just wiring configurations. Now this is your drawing for your cutout. 9.21 inches for a cutout. Alright. Let's see. And I do like the way that they put these cardboard things in here. It kind of keeps the weight from pushing down on it. And the same thing with the bottom too. They have the bottom a big, let me see here, a big thick.
Oh wow.
Hey, there's your
I'll talk about those. Oh, look at the red.
So they put the big cardboard piece down at the bottom, and it's multi-layered cardboard. Oh wow, this is
look at
really,
the red.
Really pretty. And I don't know if I mentioned it off the top, guys, but for a 10-inch speaker, it's pretty heavy. Now let's see what we have for view here. See if I can move you a little bit closer. Just a little bit closer. Alright, so first off the top, we got our dual posts. Dual posts.
No one's bent.
Huh, I wonder if that's supposed to be like that. Alright, moving on. I want to say 25 pounds maybe? 20, 25 pounds. So double stitched on the surround, on the cone here. Small Gen XX on the dust cap. I do like the way that, I think most of their subwoofers, they tell right on the dust cap what the speaker is, if it's a select series or... Yeah, they tell what model that particular speaker is right on the dust cap. So there's no, oh dude, I got ZVX, and they got an EVL in their car, and it's not a ZVX, and it just looks or could be on camera. There's no lying about this. So this is the high Excursion Gen XX foam surround here. The rubber around the edges, both sides. I love these because it kind of helps seal the speaker down to your box. And as we were reading there, look at that color red. That is so hot for a basket. They could have just made a plain black basket, or
almost looks dipped. Do you see it?
Yeah.
It looks like it's dipped in the red.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's see the bottom here, pole venting. Very nice pole venting. Also venting here for your voice coil. Let's look at the wow, that is a diesel. Let me get my camera so you guys can see this, because that is a diesel spider. The last time I seen a spider like that was on the Alpine Type X. It was a raised up spider and pretty diesel, just like that. Now they're single leads, which again isn't a bad thing, and they're woven through the spider. So I have really high expectations for this speaker, guys. The cone here, I don't know if you can see the paper cone, also glistening. It's just a hot looking speaker. They make a hot looking speaker. Let's see if we can take this skirt down a little bit. I'm not gonna break it or anything, guys. I just wanted to see if I could pull it down easily. I can't pull it down easily. I'm guessing it's a 136 ounce magnet. It's dual magnets all day. There's no way that this is a single magnet. I'm not gonna rip that off or anything to try to force it off. So guys, we're gonna get this wired up. We're gonna get it in the box. We're gonna throw some power at it, put it on the dyno, see what it does. Stay on the edge of your seat, guys. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. Alright, so since I had so many decals inside my box, I just want to share this with you. This is my daughter and my son-in-law's car. And I gave him a decal to put on his car. It's got nice viewing area. It's right above his light. When cars come up behind it, it should flash. It should flash because it's like glistening or like metallic. So when car lights hit it, they should see that nice and clear. Just want to share that. That's a little bit extra bonus, spreading the love around. Get the name out. DS18 guys. Peace. Alright guys, so really quickly before I pop this inside the box, I just wanted to give you guys a little, to show you the difference between a couple of speakers here. This is the Scar IX10, same size. This is the DS18-GEN-XX high Excursion subwoofer here. Okay, I just wanted to just put a little comparison so everybody would have an idea. You can obviously see the huge difference in surround. The Scar is glued dust cap and glued cone, glued surround. The DS18 is stitched. It's actually double stitched. Alright, so I'm going to get it popped inside the box right now over there, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Alright, again guys, before I get this inside the box, I don't think I covered the terminals on the speaker itself, the size. I'm going to say that you could fit a 10 gauge wire inside of here. It wouldn't fit an 8 gauge, but a 10 gauge wire would definitely fit. Alright, so I'm going to pop it inside the box, screw it down. We're going to throw some power in a minute, guys. We'll be right back. Alright, guys, so welcome back. I already got it going a little bit. It's already on the Dyno Live. Now, this is a dual 4 wired at 2 ohms. So let's see where we're sitting at. So 5 ohms we're sitting at, which really doesn't mean anything. Alright, let's give it a little bit more power. Alright, so we got 215 watts. Alright guys, so welcome back. Sorry about that. Our pizza showed up at the house and they didn't need me at the door. It was already paid for, all good, all set. But for some reason the pizza guy didn't give him the pizza and acted like he had to give it to me. But he didn't. He could have gave it to my son, he could have gave it to my daughter, could have gave it to my wife, anybody. So let's get the power supply going back on. I'm going to get the song going back on. Alright. And let's get her queued back up. And there we go. I'm going to put it on dyno power, guys. Yeah, let's see what it does. So we're sitting around 5 ohms. Alright, let's get the volume back up a little bit. We should see 500 watts here. I want to try to get 500 watts. $208 we got there. I'm scared to go up that one more because that one more is like the difference between... Let's Try dyno power real quick. Alright, so we got 266 there. Let's give it one more and see what happens here. What do we got? 488, 6.1 ohms. I don't know what that little pop is there, but I don't like that. Alright, so we got 488, guys. I can't push this anymore because it's already making a pop. And I don't know what that pop is, but the sub is brand new. It's not broken in. So that could be a reason why it's not, it's not making its full power right now. I mean, 488, that's 500 watts, so it's making its RMS. Definitely making the RMS. But like, I'm not trying to blow anything either. I want to have this for more videos. I want to bring it in the car and see how it sounds in the car. So guys, I think we're going to wrap it up. We'll call it that for right now. Alright. So guys, stay tuned. We'll be back for more. Don't move off the edge of your seat because we'll be right back. Peace!